Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to lock SIM cards with SIM pin on this device. So first let's go into the settings application and then scroll to this biometrics and security. After that, scroll down to the other security settings and you'll see here the setup SIM card lock section. Click here once, and now just to add SIM pin to our SIM card we should click here only once on this feature, and after that just enter the pin code. I'll just go with the one from 1 to 4, then just click here to OK, and now we can see here that we just successfully add SIM pin to our SIM card. If you want to change it, you should click here, enter your currently pin code, and after that just enter the new one, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.